So the Constitution states that Congress, upon vote of 3/4 of all its members,
That is Constituent Assembly.
I still have the floor. Saan nakalagay yung Constituent Assembly dyan?
May I be allowed to
No, you're not allowed. So what I'm saying here, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairman, we should instead come up with a resolution.
This is a point of order. It has
We come up with a resolution that
Mr. Chairman, let us stop entertaining senseless motions.
it is not a motion.
Those are stupid.
Pardon
my French, Mr.
This is not a motion.
Let us not pretend to be constitutionalist here. In order to prevent,
We are not pretending to be constitutionalist here.
I don't be just.
Mr. Chairman, I move to adjourn. Mr. Chairman, I move to adjourn. There's an incident here. Adjourn now, Mr. Chairman. It's a privilege motion, Mr. Chairman. I move to adjourn. It's plenary. I move to adjourn.